Choosing a domain and hosting, the ultimate guide. Welcome to our comprehensive workshop on selecting the perfect domain name and hosting service for your online presence. Throughout this session, we'll explore essential concepts, best practices, and expert recommendations that will empower you to make informed decisions. With over 350,000 new websites launching every day worldwide, standing out online has never been more challenging or more important. Research shows that 94% of first impressions about your business relate directly to your domain name and website, making these choices critical to your success. What is a domain name? A domain name is essentially your website's address on the internet. Fourth E, human-friendly text that users type into their browsers to find your site. Instead of remembering a complex IP address like 172.217, 168.238, people can simply type google.com. It's important to understand the distinction between a domain, your address, a website, and your actual online content, hosting, where your website files are stored. These three elements work together but serve different functions in your online presence. As of 2024, there are approximately 359.8 million domain name registrations across all top-level domains. This demonstrates the vast scale of the online landscape and the importance of securing your unique digital identity. Essentials of web hosting. What is web hosting? Web hosting is a service that stores your website files on powerful servers, making your site accessible to visitors 24/7. Think of it as renting space on the internet where your website lives and from which it operates. Shared hosting. Most economical option where multiple websites share resources on a single server. Ideal for small businesses and personal sites with moderate traffic. About 60% of small businesses start with this option. VPS hosting. Virtual private server hosting provides dedicated resources within a shared environment, offering better performance and control than shared hosting while remaining affordable. Dedicated and cloud hosting. Dedicated hosting gives you an entire server, while cloud hosting distributes your site across multiple servers for maximum reliability and scalability. Why choosing the right domain matters. Brand recognition. A memorable domain becomes synonymous with your brand. Search engine optimization. Google prioritizes relevant domain names. Trust and credibility. .com domains, 54% market share, inspire the most confidence. Your domain name is often the first touch point customers have with your business. It appears in search results, social media profiles, business cards, and marketing materials. A strategic domain choice can significantly impact your marketing effectiveness and email deliverability. The studies show that memorable domain names lead to high direct traffic and better customer recall, giving businesses a competitive advantage in crowded markets. How to select the perfect domain? Keep it short and memorable. Domains between 6 and 14 characters have the highest recall rates. Long or complex domains are more likely to be mistyped or forgotten. Aim for brevity and memorability. Use relevant keywords strategically. Including relevant keywords can provide an SEO boost, but don't sacrifice brandability. Search engines are increasingly sophisticated at understanding site content beyond domain names. Avoid complications and check availability. Steer clear of hyphens, numbers, and unusual spellings that could confuse users. Always verify trademark conflicts and secure matching social media handles for brand consistency. Top domain registrars in 2024, 84M+. GoDaddy, market leader managing over 84 million domains with extensive upsell options. $8.88. Namecheap. Average first year pricing with free whose privacy protection included. 99.9%. Bluehost. Uptime guarantee with free domain when bundled with hosting. When selecting a domain registrar, look beyond initial pricing. Many registrars offer deep discounts for the first year but charge premium rates for renewals. Compare renewal costs, privacy protection fees, and transfer policies before making your decision. Domain privacy protection is particularly important as it shields your personal information from public whose databases, reducing spam and potential security threats. Core criteria for choosing web hosting: reliability and performance. Look for hosts guaranteeing at least 99.9% uptime and server response times (TTFB) under 200 ms. Every 0.1% of downtime equals nearly 9 hours offline annually, directly impacting sales and user experience. Resources and scalability. Assess your storage bandwidth and processing needs based on website type and expected growth. E-commerce sites typically need more resources than informational sites. Ensure your host offers easy upgrade paths. Support and security. Prioritize 24/7 technical support via multiple channels and robust security features including free SSL certificates, regular backups, malware scanning, and DDoS protection. These elements are non-negotiable for business websites. Leading web hosting providers. Bluehost, best for WordPress sites. Starting price $2.95/mo. Key feature: official WP partner with one-click install. SiteGround, best for performance. Starting price $3.99/mo. Key feature: fastest shared hosting per TechRadar. HostGator, best for budget option. Starting price $2.75/mo. Key feature: unlimited storage and bandwidth. DreamHost, best for privacy focus. Starting price $2.59/mo. Key feature: 97-day money back guarantee. AWS/Google Cloud, best for enterprise scale. Starting price pay as you go. Key feature: ultimate flexibility and scalability. When evaluating hosting providers, consider your specific needs and technical expertise. Beginners may benefit from user-friendly options like Bluehost, while developers might prefer the customization offered by cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. Real-world examples and case studies. Tech startup cost optimization. A software startup reduced hosting costs by $1,000 annually in 2023 by migrating from a premium dedicated server to a right-sized cloud solution, maintaining performance while gaining scalability for growth periods. Fashion brand SEO boost. An emerging fashion retailer experienced a 32% increase in organic traffic after changing their domain from a creative but vague name to a keyword-rich domain that clearly communicated their product category. E-commerce traffic scaling. When a home goods e-commerce site went viral after influencer promotion, their cloud hosting automatically scaled to handle 500% increased traffic without downtime, preserving an estimated $50.00 in sales. Key takeaways and next steps. Strategic impact. Your domain and hosting choices directly impact brand perception, site performance, and growth potential. These technical decisions have significant business implications. Research thoroughly. Start with a clear brand strategy. Then research domain options and hosting providers that align with your specific needs, budget, and growth projections. Invest wisely. Prioritize reliability, support quality, and scalability over initial cost savings. The right infrastructure prevents costly problems and supports business growth. Ready to get started? Begin by brainstorming domain name options that align with your brand. Research available extensions and check availability across social platforms. Then, assess your website needs to determine the most appropriate hosting type for your particular situation. Remember that these decisions aren't permanent, for you can always upgrade hosting or even rebrand with a new domain as your business evolves. The most important step is getting started with a solid foundation.